Tired of disconnected customer data slowing down your team? This quick tutorial will show you how to bridge the gap between Zoho Desk and Zoho CRM, creating a powerhouse of unified customer information. We're going to seamlessly integrate Zoho Desk with Zoho CRM, allowing you to synchronize valuable customer data, effortlessly track support tickets, and ultimately deliver a world-class customer service experience across your entire organization. Let's dive in. First, log into your Zoho Desk account. In the top right corner, you'll find the setup icon. It looks like a gear. Click on it to access the settings menu. Now, on the left-hand side of the setup page, scroll down until you find the Integrations section. Click on Integrations. You'll now see a list of available integrations. Locate Zoho CRM and click on it. On the Zoho CRM integration page, you'll find an Enable button. Click this button to initiate the connection process. Zoho will then ask you to authorize the connection between Zoho Desk and Zoho CRM. Review the permissions carefully and then click Accept to grant access. After successful authorization, you'll be presented with synchronization settings. Here you can choose which data to sync between Zoho Desk and Zoho CRM, like contacts and accounts. Configure these settings according to your specific business needs. Make sure that you select Associate Tickets with CRM so you are able to automatically track tickets and link them to the correct customer records in CRM. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zoho Desk with Zoho CRM. Now, when you view a ticket in Zoho Desk, you'll see the corresponding CRM contact information, providing your agents with a complete customer overview. This enables your teams to provide personalized customer service.